Our customers really recognize the difference between Cox Manufacturing and our industry peers.
The core values that make Cox so successful are perseverance, continuous improvement, and teamwork. And when you have the owner leading by example, that's what really helps.
Favorite thing about working here is definitely the challenges.
I like to learn, and this is a place where I can learn new things very often.
Well, every day you come in, it's something new. If you're willing to learn, this is the place to be.
Everybody's willing to help each other because we all have the same goal in mind.
There's a lot of places that do what we do. One of the things that makes us unique, I think, is the camaraderie and teamwork that we're able to build.
They've really instilled a culture where employees can come in and they can grow.
Anytime I have a question or any difficulty, I know I can go to anyone on the shop floor and ask them what's wrong, ask them for advice, ask them for any help, and they'll be more than willing to help you out.
The main thing I like about Cox Manufacturing is when I started, I didn't know anything about machining at all. So they trained me from the ground up to know everything that I know right now. So I can go from a machine that just got on the floor, get it set up and running parts by the end of the week. And I couldn't do that 8 years ago.
What gets me most excited to work at Cox Manufacturing is the people.
We're at 140, 150 employees, but we're really on a first name basis. We really know each other. Everybody's personable.
The people that are here are very positive, so you want to come to work to be around positive people. Everybody here is like a family.
Every day when I come into work, I have the opportunity to work with a dedicated and committed group of engineers to constantly solve new problems and design new solutions to our engineering problems.
I think what makes Cox Manufacturing so successful is the fact that they take care of their employees. The quality of work life is really important to them. Any other place I've worked, I've never ever experienced that. To me personally, I really appreciate the spiritual aspect of Cox. They are a company based in Christ.
I gave a presentation one time at a national technical conference. I had owners and managers coming up to me saying they're just so impressed by what the owner is doing when he leads his company and runs his company from a biblical standpoint.
I believe that making sure that the company is spiritually strong gives a good guidance for the future.
Very recently, one of our existing customers in the electronic connectors industry did a review of their supply chain, Cox Manufacturing included. And after spending days looking at pricing, on-time delivery, and the minimal quality rejections that they received from Cox Manufacturing, they said, and I quote, "It was clear that Cox Manufacturing should be their primary supplier."